Hello and welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be showing you how to build a quick house in Minecraft, and then we'll go into a little bit more complicated. But what you want to do, lots of jellies around, is just get yourself some wood if you're just trying to create a quick shelter. You know, you just want to kind of do that, you know, just this is a very quick shelter. Nothing fancy. This is if you just have to protect yourself from some mobs. Get a few doors, and there's your basic house. You can put a bed here. So there you go. And then you'd be able to sleep at night. There you go. For your more complicated builds, I don't like all these jellies. They're annoying. Just go over somewhere, but they're gonna be everywhere, aren't they? Okay, so if you've got some time, what you would like to do is either have stone or again wood. But what you want to do is create a basic pattern. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Wait a second, I've lost my count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, there we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And connect it up here. There we go. We've got our outlay. 2, 3, 4, and then you can hold. I was gonna say hold shift, but this control for me. I've changed the controls. And what you want to do is just design a house like this. Doesn't take too long. And it's literally, and what we've essentially done is just created a big square. So here we go. We can put that here and put this down here, and then now you can, you know, put a floor down. Use whatever you want. You can obviously extend this house. We've got a floor, and you can either do this with the there, then you can either have, depending what stage you're at, you can have glass like this, or you can put this glass in, which does make it look a lot nicer. And then you can do the same with the roof. So I think personally, if you want a glass roof, what am I doing? You're better off using glass blocks for the roof. But let's just see in a minute. This isn't going to be the finished product. So this is what glass blocks look like for the roof, for the window. So you can see the difference. You've got a wee bit of a ledge here where you can't do anything, and obviously you would want a door at some point. I'm just, for ease, I'm just going to do the block technique here. we go, and there we go. So that's in our basic house there, but what we're going to do is not destroy that. We're going to go up. And what we're going to do here is we're going to get some stairs. So what you can do, because I'm on creative, I can fly. You can build them around like this. Not difficult, but that's wrong. There we go, it's just getting the angle right. I'm not doing that. We just need another block there. So basically just doing this again and again until you get to the top. Which I don't think we'll be able to get in our, we won't be able to get in our pass in there, will we? No, so what you can do now is block that off there. And what you can just do is do this. Kind of makes it uneven there. You just it's kind of annoying that, but what you could do is just do that. Make a flat roof there, and at the top there you go. That's more kind of an advanced house. And as I said, obviously you're going to want some stairs up into your bit here, so you can get into your house. You can have a bit for getting down into like a cave or something, whatever you decide to make. Obviously I need to go a wee bit further back, but you get what I mean. You can have a bed there, you can have irons and stuff like that, and if you do need to extend, you just copy the pattern again. And you just do this again, and then that is basically a simple way to build a house in Minecraft, or one really simple way of building a Minecraft house, and a slightly more advanced technique, but not too difficult. It's just about getting the resources. Then you can probably start getting more creative with your ideas. So maybe like a wooden circle, and then you can have a layer of rock, or then you could even finish it off with glass. And then obviously just fill the walls in, make the doors, do the roof. There you go. You get what I mean. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the comments, and I do get back to people who leave me a comment. and I will see you in the next video. And this was Harris Heller Stream Beats rock version, and it's epic, so definitely check that out. Anyway, thank you. I will be live on Twitch again soon. If you give me a like there, or give me a follow there, and come say hey. Bye bye.